Welcome to EverSmart Rodent and your journey with Microshare's EverSmart product line, the state-of-the-art in remote monitoring. We're happy that you chose us. In this first of our video installation guides and tutorials, we'll show you what you should have received in your product delivery, how to activate the EverSmart Rodent sensors, and get them connected with a LoRaWAN gateway. This is the router that will carry data from your EverSmart Rodent sensors to the online and mobile dashboards. Microshare has designed EverSmart Rodent to do more than simply push sensor data to your smartphone or dashboard. Our software applies artificial intelligence and machine learning, so-called AI/ML, to assess the alarms produced by sensors so that you only get the alerts when there is a high probability of rodent activity. Alarms are also bundled to make sure you're not getting alerts about the same activity over and over. This way we minimize repetitive or false alarms that can lead to alert fatigue and undermine the whole point of remote monitoring. So let's get started by connecting your LoRaWAN gateway. LoRaWAN stands for Low Range, Low Power Network, and the connectivity it creates protects your client's digital assets and computer systems from hackers. It does this by being separate and never touching the corporate networks or a customer's Wi-Fi. That's part of our SOC 2 certified cyber resilience. EverSmart products run on one of three types of LoRaWAN gateways. The iFemtocell, pictured here, which we've been using indoors for about a decade. You can watch our iFemtocell gateway installation video on the EverSmart Rodent startup website. There's also a hardened outdoor gateway, the WireNet iStation, deployed at airports, stadiums, and some large infrastructure like warehouses. It provides coverage of over a square mile or more. But we're going to connect an iZeptocell gateway, which is a bit less expensive than the iFemtocell and has a range more suited for smaller shops or restaurant deployments. My colleague Matt is going to demonstrate the simple process of setting it up. The first thing to do is choose the right adapter for your region. Matt's in Pennsylvania, so he will choose the North American adapter and recycle the rest. Then we'll find a power source. Unlike the battery-powered sensors, which we'll get to later, the gateway is one piece of equipment that needs to be plugged in. Ideally, you find a place where no one is going to accidentally unplug it. Once plugged in, the LoRaWAN bandwidth starts broadcasting in about 3 to 5 minutes. On both the iZeptocell and the iFemtocell gateways, there are two green LED lights that will illuminate when it's powered up. One simply tells you the device has power when it goes green. The other confirms that your gateway is connected and sending data to the cloud. It's from the cloud that the desktop and mobile dashboards draw their data on rodent activity. Once you get those two green lights, you're all set. Now let's turn to the sensors. You should have a number of PIR sensors. PIR stands for passive infrared, which is a technology used to detect motion. These sensors are powered by a long-life 3.6 volt half AA lithium battery, which typically lasts 2 to 3 years. They can be replaced when the device health monitor on the EverSmart Rodent dashboard tells you that they're running down, but you won't need to do that for 2 years, and that's another video. So to activate the PIR sensors you have, simply remove the tape, and that will close the battery circuit and power up the device. A small blue LED light will come on to let you know it's activated. This might take 5 seconds or so. And that's it. You've activated your sensors and connected your gateway. Now it's time to deploy your sensors in the field, then digitally twin or map them with the Deploy M app to the dashboard. That will give you a crystal clear picture of what's going on at your sites. Check out our Deploy M digital twinning video guide on the Microshare Rodent startup page for more on this. That's it for our look at getting started with your EverSmart Rodent components. We're really happy you chose EverSmart. Be sure to check out our other video and online guides on the EverSmart Rodent startup page of the website, www.microshare.io. EverSmart Rodent, it sends the right message to the right person at the right time.